What's up guys, this is a little bit different of a video. This is kinda showing y'all a review slash how I broke the SSX 303 from Novritsch that I only had for 2 weeks.
I got him. Hey,
hope you enjoy
I got him. Hey, they're down. They're
stay
both
till the
down.
end for the review.
The two that were right there, they're both down. We can move up. This thing's so sick. I got them. They're down. Go through here. Shh. I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna go there and shoot this dude real quick. There's one. 12 o'clock. Shadow. He's behind where the wood stack is. You hear him? 12, you know where the wood stack is? Wood stack? He's on the right of that.
Okay, hey.
I'm gonna
suppressing fire where you're at, Costa. You guys hook right.
Alright.
Let me get your position.
Okay.
Let me get right where you're at, Costa.
There's also one in the doorway.
You good? Don't stand too close to me. Don't stand too close to me. I usually get hit because people are too close. There's one doorway of that. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock doorway. Hey, watch 12 to the right of the trail.
Watch the shaft, boys.
Crossing.
Watch shaft.
Crossing. Yeah, supposedly the new rule is the fence is the line, so it should be fine.
Wood pile fell back. Wood pile fell back.
Watch that building. Yeah. Watch it, watch it. Watch it. I see him. Corner of shack. Next to where the ref was.
Hit! Hit!
Keep up, guys.
Watch that door, that wood pile right there. Here,
Where's it come from? Where's it come from?
Hard left.
I know, where's it come from? You can only see the outline. You see? Is it upstairs? Where's it from?
It seems like it's upstairs. From the end.
Yeah, he's not getting it through.
Can you watch that doorway?
Yeah, I got a doorway.
good shot, hit, hit.
I got him. Hey, I got him. Hey, they're down. They're both down. The two that were right there, they're both down. We can move up. This thing's so sick. I got them. They're down. They're down. I need that. I'm also stuck on it. Okay. Okay. So, what we're gonna do. I just broke it. Damn it. Hand me that, I broke it.
What?
Hand me that, I broke it. It's over here. When you come up. I'm stuck on the fence. I'm stuck. Yeah. Okay. Whew. Damn. I really killed it. Whew. Yeah. That sucks. Alright, what's up guys? This is my Novritsch SSX 303. As you can see, it's broken. Other than this breaking, I have it threaded in literally one thread. But this is how I'm running right now until I talk to Novritsch and through email and everything, and they offered to send me a new gun, and I told them that I was kind of stupid. I still want to use it. It's still fully functional. So they said in about 3 weeks they should have a new buffer tube in, so I'll just run it like this for now. It's not too bad. Okay, so far as the gun, I have it set up as a CQB. So I bought the nozzle set so I can set it. It came with the nozzle that was shooting about 2.3 joules. Right now it's shooting 1.1 right at CQB. I'm using 3.2s in it, and it shoots pretty far. It shoots about accurately, I would have to say 150 feet to 170 feet. It's pretty accurate, which is great for a CQB weapon. I had a different scope on there. I decided to go with just a cheap red dot. It works the best, and it's still really quiet with the little Novritsch suppressor. I have the regular foam in there. I don't even have any Scotch-Brite or anything, none of that. I'm running a 40mm run cam, scope cam on it. Don't really need that much of a zoom, but I have to have an extra one, so that's what I'm running. And then just some extra leaves, and his wrap, I actually don't like the colors the best, but it doesn't look super bad or anything. As far as the gun goes, I actually like it when it has a buttstock and it doesn't break. I did have a lot of good things to say about this gun up until it broke, and it's really kind of hard to see that. It really sucks to see that broke like that. And you know, it's one of those things that when you're designing a gun and everything, you would think, hey, it's gonna be used. If I drop it, you know, if someone drops it, it's not gonna break. Well, that's not the case here. They made the threads way too thin, and it just snapped right off. It just snapped right off. But other than that, it's a really good gun, and it definitely is what I was expecting, if not more than I was expecting. It's super accurate. So far it's been reliable, unlike the actual MK23 isn't really that reliable in my experience, and I have 3 of them. They have issues when it's cold, so far I've shot this when it's cold and it works great, but we'll see how it goes as it gets warmer, as it gets cold and all that. I definitely think so far it's a great gun. it's probably just as good as my SRS as far as reliability so far and how it shoots. It's not as accurate, of course, but it's definitely, like, I like it just as much.